Hi everyone! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ay isang collective love reading, timeless reading. So anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Kung gusto nyo mag-book, paki-check nyo na lang. So tingnan natin kung kanino, anong signs. Zodiac signs na mga involved dito sa connection na to for the collective. So this can be any placements, no? So we have Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. We have Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. At Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. So Capricorn, Cancer, at Aquarius. So, pwedeng ikaw yan or the person that you are dealing with. So, energy check-in tayo. What's going on sa inyong relationship? So, tingnan natin energy ng past. Past energy. 10 of Pentacles. So, I feel like, madalas kayong lumabas ng person mo, shopping. Yan yung bonding ninyo. Oo. Maaari ring meron na kayong family or may mga anak na kayo or may involvement na ng family sa relationship. Kilala ka ng family ng person mo. Kilala rin siya ng family mo. What is the 10 of Pentacles? The Queen of Swords. Okay. May nag-cut off ng connection. Merong naging cold sa relationship. So, energy ng Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Pwedeng nagkaroon kayo ng problema sa pera or kulang sa quality time together. Energy ng past. 4 of Pentacles. Okay, so meron ditong very focus sa kanyang career. So baka yung Capricorn. Capricorn energy yan. Maaring meron ditong naging busy sa trabaho sa career niya. So, kaya naging distant kayo sa isa't isa. Someone is getting or parang cold in this relationship. Hindi masyadong nag-e-effort sa relationship, sa inyong connection. Okay. So, what is the current energy ng connection na to? What is the current energy ng connection? Ng collective justice. Okay, so Libra energy. Meron ditong naliwanagan sa sitwasyon. Naliwanagan siya. Or meron siyang decision making na ginagawa. 5 of Pentacles. I have a feeling na issue sa pera to. Or sa stability ng finances. Pwede kasi dito sa connection na to is meron dito na marami siyang pangarap. Marami siyang gustong marating sa buhay. And the other person is parang relax-relax lang. Oo. So, pwedeng yun yung naging reason para umiwas yung isa. Kasi pakaramdam niya, hindi pa siya ready financially. May ginost dito. Oo. You have the 10 of Cups. Actually, naging masaya naman yung relationship ninyo. Maari lang na merong nakikialam na family member or somehow parang na-brainwash, no, ng family member na bakit ka magtsatsaga sa situation na yan, sa person na yan, kung parang wala naman siyang pangarap sa buhay, ganon. Mahirap talaga pag pera na yung issue, diba? So, I think, malaking contribution talaga yung pera sa issue ng relationship nyo. So, let's see yung feelings ng person mo ngayon. Ano yung feelings ng person? Ng collective. Pwede rin tong magpalit-palit ng na mag-reversal ng roles. Feelings ngayon. Queen of Wands. I feel like your person still has that fire. Fire in you. meron pa tong feelings towards you. Ayan, no, laging nakikipag-communicate. I feel like, yeah, you still have communication. Pwedeng itong person mo is very busy. Mahilig mag-travel, kung saan-saan nakakarating. You may be dealing with, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag. What is your feelings towards your person? The Hanged Man. Ikaw yung I feel like ikaw yung nag-aalangan na sa kanya. Baka ikaw yung nag-cut off sa person na to. What is the Hanged Man? Parang nire-reassess mo yung connection ninyo kung may patutunguhan ba. Ace of Wands. I feel like you are starting to, to go out or to live your life na wala yung person na to. Kasi parang meron ka ng new beginnings dito eh. Ano yung mutual energies ninyong dalawa? You still have feelings for each other. Four of Cups. Parang, alam mo may feelings ka pa, pero hindi na ganun ka, tinan nyo, hindi na ganun ka heavy. Nakakaloka. Baka kasi may pagka-immature tong person na to, no? Ito yung tipong happy-go-lucky, bahala na si Batman. Although masaya siyang kasama, enjoy ka, pero pag, nandun ka na sa reality ng buhay, nare-realize mo yung person mo is wala siyang pangarap, no? Parang walang patutunguhan, puro all fun, ganun lang. And I feel like ikaw naghahanap ka ng isang stable na relationship na pwedeng yung family mo, hinahanapan ka na rin ng ganong klaseng tao sa buhay mo na, someone who can take care of you, kaya kang alagaan, okay? Kaya lang parang puro feelings, emotions lang yung kaya niyang i-offer. And for you, it's not enough, okay? Tignan mo. It's not enough. May Three of Swords. Someone is disappointed. So, pwedeng ikaw, disappointed ka na sa kanya, sa ginagawa niya. You still try to work things out with this person, pero parang baka hindi nag-e-effort to. Tinan mo, happy-go-lucky lang siya with the Fool card. But I think you still want to know yung whereabouts ng person mo. Tingin ko ikaw yung umiiwas na eh. Umiiwas ka na sa kanya. Okay, let's see kung ano yung gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo. Ano yung gusto niyang sabihin ng person mo? Anong gusto niyang sabihin ng person ng collective? Lalo na doon sa mga taong practical, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo, na okay naman na masayang kasama yung person, kaya lang may practicality ang aspeto ng relationship. It's not all about fun and happiness. It's also about responsibility. So I think the person that you're dealing with is hindi siya ganun ka-responsable sa buhay niya. Oo. Anong gustong sabihin ng person mo? Anong gustong sabihin ng person ng collective? Anong feelings? Anong gusto nilang sabihin? You are the soul I've been seeking for. I feel like this person is malalim siya, no? Yung tipong malalim siya na tao kapag mag-express ng feelings niya. Kaya rin siguro para sa'yo, mahirap i-let go itong person na to dahil siya yung expressive, oo. Kumbaga sa parang makata, oo, magaling siya sa words, kaya madali kang mapaniwala, madali kang lumambot para sa kanya. Still listening, I listen to the music you've shared with me. It helps me to connect with you. Although we are apart, ayun na, meron na talagang distance between the two of you. Kumbaga, parang this person can be a hopeless romantic. Not the right time. I am overwhelmed with responsibilities. I don't have the time or energy for a relationship. I feel like this is your energy. Okay? Kumbaga parang ang dami mong responsibilities sa sarili mo, sa family mo. And this person is, ano yung feeling na wala siyang ambag? Oo. Pero kung napapasaya ka naman niya, 'di ba? Pero it's not all kasi yung happiness eh. Okay, challenges are to overcome and bring us to a strong bond. They're not supposed to break us apart. Okay, so I feel like alam ng person mo na meron nakikialam sa connection ninyo. Maaring yung mga tao sa paligid mo na nag-i-influence sa'yo. Pwede kasi nasi-share mo na, sabi ni ganito, sabi ng parents ko, sabi ng friend ko, hindi ka pa reliable, hindi ka pa responsible sa buhay, ganon. Trying to find my way back to you. Gusto ka niyang balikan or gusto niyang bumalik yung dating kayo. But you feel like this person is not, parang ano, siguro right love at the wrong time. Mas mature ka sa kanya, mas responsible ka sa kanya, and this person is not. Siyempre, hinahanap mo rin is yung taong makakatuwang mo sa buhay, diba? Won't let you know that I do adore that smell of your hair and the whole you. Oh, lagi ka pa rin, naaalala ng person na to, yung amoy mo, kahit di ka naliligo. Oo. Ano nga siya eh, hopeless romantic. That's what I'm sensing for your person. Attached to my ex. You're so smart. Baka merong energies from the ex din. Okay? Maybe the reason why trinay mo rin na iwasan itong person na to kasi feeling mo may comparison with the ex. So where is this relationship going? Saan papunta to? Mag-aayos ba? Babalik ba? Where? Where, oh where? Okay, sa nakikita ko rito, you will move on. You will focus on your stability, yung finances mo. Mas gusto mo na secure yung future mo. Okay? You will definitely discover more about yourself, no? Ititingnan mo pa kung ano yung mga kaya mong gawin. And maari ring may mga times na mahalungkat yung nangyari sa past, may pag-aaway. You have the sun. The sun is about clarity in your situation. Okay? I feel like yung mga limitations mo sa relationship na to, yun yung ile-let go mo na. Kasi maaring limited yung resources ninyong dalawa pareho, kung itong person na to ay umaasa sa'yo. Confusion, oo. Parang feeling mo it's not worth it. Hindi worth it yung person na to, kahit nasabihin pang mahal ka niya, or nasa kasi siya parang point na may pagka-immature pa, hindi pa niya kaya mag-take ng responsibility. Yung practical responsibilities, no? Yung tipong kaya ka ba niyang buhayin, may maiaambag ba siya sa future ninyo. Oo. So I think hangga't hindi niya kayang magkapag-ambag sa iyo in the future, iiwasan mo to. Okay? So that is your reading para sa mga collective dyan. So if you have other situation na gusto nyong basahan natin, no? So comment lang kayo dyan para we'll see on our next energy check-in, okay? Para sa love reading ninyo. So thank you so much and goodbye.